Three bulls and a lion. Once upon a time, on a vast grassland, there lived three bull brothers named Red, Black, and Yellow, along with a lion. The lion always wanted to eat the bulls. One day it found the chance and charged at the brothers. The bulls quickly used their horns to defend and formed a circle. The lion, who charged at them, was thrown far away by Red's horns and fell hard to the ground. When the lion tried to attack from another side, it saw Yellow and Black staring fiercely with wide eyes, and didn't dare come close, so it ran away in defeat. The bulls sighed in relief and said, "As long as we stand together, we don't have to fear even the fiercest lion." The lion was upset for not getting any beef and wasn't ready to give up, but couldn't defeat the three brothers. So, it came up with a sneaky plan. When the brothers were not together, the lion approached Black. Black was startled and ready to fight. The lion said quickly, "Don't be like that, I'm not here to hurt you. You're so strong, how could I fight you? But I want to ask, among you brothers, who is the strongest?" Black thought and said, "I think it's me." "That's strange," the lion replied. "Red just told me he was the strongest. He said if he hadn't tossed me with his horns that day, you all would have been eaten." "That's nonsense. Without me, he would have been the one eaten." Black was so angry that he decided to ignore Red from then on. Seeing Black fooled, the lion went to Red and said, "Brother Red, I know you're the strongest. If it weren't for you chasing me away, I would have eaten Yellow and Black already." Red said, "We're brothers, of course. I have to protect them." But he felt proud inside and didn't want to send the lion away. But Black says he's the strongest. He even said he would have handled me better that day. Look, he's glaring at you right now. Red looked and indeed saw Black staring at him. "This guy is so ungrateful. If it weren't for me, he'd have been eaten," Red thought and decided never to be with Black again. The lion then found Yellow and told him, "Brother Yellow, Red and Black called you a coward. They said when I charged, you were trembling with fear. But I think you are the bravest." Angry, Yellow said, They are the cowards. How rude. I'm going to settle this with them." And with that, he charged at Red and knocked him over. Red was furious, got up and started to fight Yellow. Black saw the fight and tried to break it up, but ended up getting hit hard by Yellow. And so, the three bulls fought each other from morning to noon, and from noon until night. In the end, the bulls were all injured and exhausted, lying on the ground, gasping for air. The lion, seeing its chance, charged at them and easily killed all the bull brothers. Insight of the story. Smart people know how to unite others and use the power of unity to succeed. Foolish people make enemies and don't understand the saying, "Many hands make light work." Like studying, a problem that stumps one person can quickly be solved when several people work together. So, we should always use the power of the group to solve problems. That's the end of the story. Three bulls and a lion. Unity is strength. I hope it brought some inspiration or new thoughts to your day. If it did, please share your insights in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this story with someone who needs a little reminder of the power of unity. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more stories like this. Your support helps us keep sharing. Thank you.